What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is a witness who actually testified being present with Kelly when they went to a vehicle with Jocelyn Smith. So, what was happening is that this witness did not know or was not aware of what Kelly was trying to do here. So, this witness was just accompanying Kelly and Jocelyn Smith. So, this witness was just like physically present during the entire interaction and was observing everything without knowing exactly what was going on here. So this is what the witness was describing, and from that testimony by this witness, you can actually see that Kelly was like mostly like transporting Jocelyn Smith to that vehicle for her to be identified by somebody inside that vehicle. So, how does this testimony really help us? It helps us to identify the sequence of the events, which are very, very crucial in establishing the accuracy of the timeline, like to help and clarify the roles of these different individuals that were involved in this particular incident. So, this testimony is obviously a huge blow to Kelly herself because it will like help unravel the entire thing. And the next thing obviously the investigators would want to know is that who was that person inside that vehicle. So far we haven't heard like a response from Kelly herself and whether like she can dispute this testimony and say no, that never happened, or she can actually say it happened but this is the story. But all I can say is that this case is like getting cracked bit by bit. And at the end of the day, everything is definitely going to be revealed. So, this is the analysis that I've got from this testimony that was given by this witness. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.